Hello friends. Welcome back to English Echo. Do you ever feel like you know grammar, you know words? But when it's time to speak English, you don't sound natural? Don't worry, today I'll share 10 English phrases you must know. These are not boring textbook sentences. They're the phrases real people use in conversations every day. Let's dive in. It's not a big deal. Use this when you want to tell someone not to worry. For example, when your friend says, "Sorry I'm late," you can reply, "It's not a big deal. Relax. I'm not sure off the top of my head." This means, I don't know immediately, without thinking. For example, what's the capital of Canada?
I'm not sure off the top of my head.
That rings a bell. Used when something sounds familiar. Do you know Sarah from marketing?
That rings a bell. I think I've heard her name.
I'll take your word for it. This means you believe someone without checking yourself. This restaurant has the best pasta ever.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
It's up to you. Used when you give someone the choice. Where should we eat?
It's up to you.
I couldn't agree more. This is a stronger way of saying, I agree 100%. That movie was amazing.
I couldn't agree more.
Let's call it a day. Used when you finish working or studying. After 3 hours of studying. I'm tired, let's call it a day. I'm feeling under the weather. This means, I'm sick, not feeling well. You didn't come to class yesterday?
Yeah, I was feeling under the weather.
Better late than never. Used when something happens late, but at least it happens.
When you finally submit your homework.
Teacher. Better late than never. Don't get me wrong. You use this before saying something that could sound rude. Don't get me wrong, I like the idea, but it needs more details. Awesome work. So, these were 10 English phrases you must know if you want to sound natural and confident. Which one was your favorite? Or which one will you use this week? Drop it in the comments. I want to see you try them.